Hello, my name is Maria Jose Pulido, and today we are going to explain you what is the process of making cookies. We are going to explain you the materials we are going to use. We are going to explain you the ingredients and the quantity of each of the ingredients. Okay, the ingredients. First, we have the butter. For the butter, we are going to use 115 grams. Also, we have the decoration. Then this time we have this. We have the sugar, and the sugar we're going to use 2/3 cups of sugar. We have the flour that we're going to use 2 cups of flour. We're going to use 2 eggs, and we're going to use vanilla essence, only 1 spoon of it. Now the materials we're going to use. We are going to use this kind of tray that is big for the cookies. We're going to use this mixture that is for most of the ingredients. We're going to use the colander for some of the ingredients. We're going to use a cup and some recipients for the ingredients. In the first step, we're going to use the mixture, the recipient, the sugar, and the butter. In this, we're going to get the butter inside the recipient and the sugar, and we're going to mix. We're going to look how. In the first step, we have the butter and the sugar in the recipient. Now we're going to use the mixer. Now we're going to put inside the vanilla essence. Then we're going to put inside the 2 eggs. And now we're going to mix again these new ingredients. This is the color we need to have. We need to mix and mix and mix until we have a soft mass that we're having here. In the next step, we're going to use the flour and the powder of baking. In this, we're going to get a spoon of into the flour, and we're going to mix it. Now we're going to put the flour into the mass, like the half, and we're going to try to do this to get a better ingredient. A little bit. Now we are going to use the other half of the powder of baking with the flour. To get really well mixed, we continue doing like this until we see only one color. We are going to move until we get all inside of the recipient. In this step, we're going to mix the mass and the flour in this way until we only get one color, like this. In this step, we're going to put the bottom of the oven into 175. This. And we're going to wait until this is really hot. Now we're going to introduce these candies into the mass in this way. Now we're going to mix the mass with the candies. If it is necessary, we should add a little bit more to have more colors in our cookies. In this way we mixed it with the candies. And now we're going to do the balls for making the cookies like this. We're going to take more flour. Continue. Like this. And we do the last one. Now we are going to put them into the oven in a temperature of 175 down and up, and we will wait 10 to 12 minutes. Now we are waiting the 10 to 12 minutes to the cookies get baked. So they are in this moment like this, waiting to be ready. By this moment we already have 6 minutes and we're waiting to them to be. This is how they look after 10 minutes and we are waiting for 2 minutes. Now we're going to take them out. We're having this. This is our final product of the cookies of today. Now we have them and we need them to be cold, a little bit cold to separate them. And now we finish. They got like this. In conclusion, it was not easy to make cookies because we need to have a specific ingredients, a specific materials like the mixer. We need to have like all the ingredients and we need to have like the attitude to do it. We need to have the time. So this was the process of making cookies. I will think you like it. So thank you very much. For our next video.